Have you ever wondered why some website changes lead to skyrocketing conversions while others fall flat? Today, we're diving into A/B testing, one of the most powerful tools to help you understand what really works for your audience. Whether you're struggling to boost your website's performance or just want to know what clicks with your users, A/B testing is the key. We'll break down what it is, how to get started, and why using a tool like OmniConvert can supercharge your results. Let's jump right in. A/B testing is a method of comparing two or more versions of a web page, email, or any other marketing asset to determine which version performs better. Essentially, you split your audience into groups and present each group with a different variant. By analyzing the results, you can make data-backed decisions that optimize your marketing efforts. It allows you to test changes such as headlines, images, or calls to action to see which one resonates best with your audience. Ultimately, this helps you increase conversions and improve your user experience. To succeed in A/B testing, it's important to use a structured framework. This framework helps you define what to test, how to conduct the test, and how to make sense of the results. A typical A/B testing framework includes the following. 1. To identify your goals. What do you want to improve? It could be higher conversions, better engagement, or reduced bounce rate, for example. 2. Generate a hypothesis. Create hypotheses based on your goals. For example, changing the headline to emphasize the benefit might increase click-through rates. 3. Define the metrics. Choose the metrics that will help you determine success, like conversion rate, bounce rate, or time on page. 4. Create test variants. Develop different versions of your web page or asset based on your hypotheses. And 5. Set the test duration. Decide how long your test will run to get statistically significant results. The next step in A/B testing is to develop variants based on your hypotheses. The key here is to keep the variants simple. You don't want too many changes between your versions, as this makes it difficult to identify which element drove the change in user behavior. Focus on a few impactful elements like headlines, images, buttons or colors, or even call to action text. After developing your variants, use a tool to set up your A/B test. Choose the test type, A/B, split URL, or multivariant, and then configure your variants by entering the different versions you want to test. Next, set targeting options to reach the right audience and implement tracking for your chosen metrics. Once configured, launch the test, and the A/B testing tool will randomly assign users to each variant for an unbiased, reliable experiment. We'll teach you how to do this in the tutorial that's coming up next. Once your test completes, review the data. Focus on key metrics like conversion rates and engagement, and check for statistical significance to ensure that the results are really meaningful. Compare how each variant performed, assess your hypothesis, and use these insights to guide future optimizations. An A/B testing tool, such as OmniConvert, can help you optimize your marketing efforts more effectively. Instead of making changes manually, OmniConvert simplifies the process of creating, implementing, and tracking tests. You don't need advanced coding skills, and features like audience segmentation, statistical analysis, and reporting make it easier to get reliable results. OmniConvert also integrates well with existing marketing campaign tools and platforms, such as Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics 4, Hotjar, Adobe Analytics, Content Square, Shopify, HubSpot, and Marketo. This allows you to continuously track performance, gather insights, and optimize your strategies. OmniConvert goes beyond the basic A/B testing and functions as a conversion rate optimization platform to help you better understand your audience. It offers a user-friendly interface, making it accessible even if you lack technical expertise. The tool is compatible with single-page applications and includes useful features like a Chrome extension for simple tests. With advanced segmentation, OmniConvert helps you target specific audience groups based on criteria like location, behavior, and referral sources. This makes it easier to create relevant and personalized tests. Customization options include setting specific goals, managing traffic allocation, and determining which percentage of visitors see each variation. The tool also supports multi-device testing, guaranteeing that your tests works across desktops, tablets, and mobile devices. OmniConvert also provides statistical analysis tools to help evaluate the significance of your test results, and it supports both frequentist and Bayesian statistical models. With OmniConvert, you're not only running tests, you're also gaining valuable insights into your users' preferences. This, in turn, helps you create personalized experiences that can increase engagement and conversions. If you're interested in trying OmniConvert for free, check out the link in the description. Once you're ready, use the promo code EXPLAINED to get 50% off your first month. Now, let's walk through the process of creating your own A/B test from start to finish. Let's take a look at the onboarding process with OmniConvert. When you first log into your OmniConvert account, you'll find an intuitive dashboard that guides you through the various features available. If you're new to A/B testing, don't worry. OmniConvert offers helpful tutorials and resources to get you started quickly. The first step is to enter your website and choose your objective. Now, let's create a new A/B test by going to the section on the sidebar. Start by clicking on the New Test button. Here, you'll need to fill in some essential details. Give your test a descriptive title that summarizes its purpose. This will help you stay organized, especially if you plan to run multiple tests. Next, enter the URL of the page that you want to test. OmniConvert allows you to test various pages across your website. Finally, articulate your hypothesis clearly. For example, you might say, changing the call to action button color will increase click-through rates. This will serve as your guiding statement throughout the test. Once you've set up the basics, it's time to create your variations. OmniConvert offers a powerful visual editor that allows you to make changes without any coding knowledge. However, for those who are more technically inclined, there's also a robust code editor that enables you to develop more advanced tests beyond the visual editor's capabilities. To get started, simply click on the Add New Variation button, and the visual editor will open up. You can easily edit elements like headlines, images, and button styles directly on the page by clicking on the element you want to change. It's important to note that if you plan on using custom code for more complex changes, it's best to insert the code before developing the variation in the visual editor. Next up is defining your audience. This step is crucial to make sure that the right users are seeing your test. You can choose specific pages to include or exclude from your test, which is particularly useful if you want to target a certain part of your website. OmniConvert allows you to segment your audience based on various criteria, such as demographics or behavior. This way, you can test your variants on a specific user group. If you want to get even more granular, explore the advanced options to set custom rules for who sees your test. Now, let's talk about traffic allocation and setting goals. OmniConvert makes this easy because you can decide how to split your traffic between your original page and the new variation that you've created. For instance, you might choose to send 50% of your traffic to each variant, or you could allocate more to one variant if you have a hypothesis you feel confident about. Additionally, you'll set your primary goals here. What metrics are you focusing on? Whether it's conversion rates, click-through rates, or user engagement, defining your goals upfront will help you measure success accurately. After that, you'll schedule your A/B test. OmniConvert allows you to select a start date and time for your test. Once everything looks good, hit the Publish button. Your A/B test is now live, and users will start seeing different variations. Next, it's time to insert the synchronous code into your website. OmniConvert provides you with a snippet of content that you'll need to place in the header of your web page. This code is essential because it allows OmniConvert to track user interactions and performance metrics accurately. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, it might be a good idea to involve your web developer. And now for the moment of truth, analyzing the results. After your test has run for the scheduled duration, head back to your OmniConvert dashboard. You'll find detailed analytics showing how each variant performed based on your defined goals. Review metrics like conversion rates and user engagement to understand which version resonated most with your audience. Remember to check for statistical significance to be sure your results are reliable. Once you've gathered your insights, you can implement the winning variant and continue to optimize your marketing strategies. And that's it for today's video. We've covered everything from what A/B testing is, how to develop a testing framework, and why using an A/B testing tool like OmniConvert is essential. If you're interested in trying OmniConvert for yourself, you can get a 30-day free trial with no credit card required. Just click the link in the description of this video to get started. It's a great way to explore all the features and see how it can help optimize your website. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.